Taking class 22 in all who completed the requirements for the secondary course, batch 2011.
Director, may I present to you the 9 candidates for graduation of the Philosophy Department for the academic year 2010-2011 this time.
In behalf of the Most Reverend Sophronia Bangkut, the Bishop of Cabanatuan, it is my honor to accept and confirm you as graduates of the school year 2010 and 2011.
And now, for the imposition of the academic hood, we would like to call on Very Reverend Elder Molina and the parents of the college seminarians. We invite all the parents of the graduates to assist your sons for the imposition of the academic hood.
From the Philosophy Department, we have Seminarian Franz Joseph Garcia Aquino from the Diocese of Cabanatuan. Seminarian Jason Cruz Bala from the Diocese of Alana.
Reverend Father Elmer Mangalinaw, parents and graduates. Now, we will now proceed to the recognition ceremony. May we ask Reverend Father Elmer Mangalinaw, Vicar General of Cabanatuan, Very Reverend Isidro Puyat, Rector of Maria Jacinta Seminary, Reverend Father Perfecto Alto, Director of the Philosophy Department, Reverend Father Reynaldo Gregorio Jr., Director of the Pre-College Department, Reverend Father Noel Tahobe, Principal and Director of the High School Department, Reverend Father Jeff Alarilla, Spiritual Director of the Philosophy Department, Reverend Father Dander Emboscado, Spiritual Director of the High School Department, and all our beloved teachers to assist in giving the awards.